Today we're checking into the Bellagio Hotel here in Las Vegas. We'll be showing you around the room and the views of the spectacular fountains, and also what we actually really think to the Bellagio and staying in Las Vegas. As you enter the Bellagio Hotel through the revolving doors, you enter the main reception and check-in area over to the left. From the ceiling, there are more than 2,000 pieces of blown glass flowers, making a large sculpture weigh more than 20 tons and valued at over $3 million. We have already checked into our room online, and you can collect your plastic key cards from printing terminals near reception or at the lift elevator area. To get to the rooms in the main Bellagio Tower, it's approximately a 3-minute walk to the elevators from reception. This takes you through the casino. The Bellagio Hotel has 2 main towers, the Spa Tower and the main Bellagio Tower, with 3 wings to it. We are in the main Bellagio Tower on the 14th floor. The Bellagio Tower has a total of 36 floors. These corridors are just so long, with over 3,900 rooms and suites throughout the whole hotel. The carpet and decoration vary on each floor. We are about halfway along the corridor in room 14068. So here we are at the King Fountain View room here at the Bellagio in Las Vegas in the United States. So we literally just got here after flying in from London on a 10-hour flight, so a little tired. So we thought before we do anything, we'll get the room tour done so you can see what it's all about. So doors, you just come in here, and then here you can see a chart of the place, and we are just over here overlooking the fountains. So quite a nice little room, relatively lowish down compared to some of them, but not too bad. So as you come in, you've got a large mirror just there, you've got all that stuff on the floor that we just dumped there. Here you've got all the controls for the curtains and the net curtains, all drapes and the sheer, and light switch. And then as we take a look around this room here, it's absolutely stunning. So let's start off over here on the left hand side as we came in. So you've got the large TV there, and then the cabinet, all finished to a really good standard. If we just have a look in here, this is the mini bar. This is all chargeable, and it is a lot of money, and it's all on pressure plates, so we won't be taking any out to show you, but for convenience it is worth buying stuff if you can't be bothered, like tonight, going across to the CVS shop, which is just over the road. It's about a 5-minute walk. But a little tip, there is also a vending machine with cans of drink in on the corridor, so you can just walk down to that, and it's a little bit cheaper than there. So there's some more parts of the minibar, some water and some crisps, chips. And then to the side here, you have some glasses for your drinks, a nice little tray. Then as we look around here, we got a dining table and 2 chairs. We have been here previously and stayed in a suite, but on this occasion we've come and stayed in a pretty much standard room. It's a King Fountain View overlooking the fountains, not currently on at the minute, but there will be shortly, all being well. And we got this room for a really good price as well. And if you keep listening to the end, you'll be really surprised as to what the price was for this. We were really blown away with it. It was, yeah, really good deal. So we'll tell you about that at the end, so keep listening to find out how much this room costs. So nice little sofa over there and coffee table. Another lamp there. And then just behind here, you've got air conditioning, and you can change that between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Nice picture on the wall. Then over here we've got the nice bed. So let's have a closer look. So at each side you've got these twin drawer units where you put your things in. Also an alarm clock with wireless charging, really handy. And also you've got some more controls there for the curtains and the net curtains and the light switch. but finished really well. Some lights over the bed there. Then there's a seat there at the end there where you can put your case on when you're first unpacking. And then over this side of the bed, again, 2 more drawers, a telephone and remote control for the TV. So that's the bedroom area. We'll head over now to the bathroom and show you the bathroom. So as we walk around here in this cupboard, this is where you've got your dressing gowns. So there's 2 dressing gowns, selection of hangers there for you. You've also got an iron and ironing board in the room ready, and a bag stand there for your case. And then just here, you've got a decent size safe, so you can put your valuables in. And branding all the way through to the safe as well, with the Bellagio in the bottom of the safe there. So all the things that you need. So let's have a look at the bathroom. So as you go in, you'll see there's a nice marble floor. And then over here you've got your telephone. Never really known what you have a telephone in the bathroom for, but maybe you know, you can, maybe it's if you run out of loo roll, I'm not sure. If you do know, if it is something different to that, then do put it in the comments there. So there's the toilet and some more loo roll, all nice and clean by the looks of it. It's always useful. And then in here you've got your 2 mirrors, finished really nicely, and 2 sinks as well. And then you've got a smaller mirror there, which looks like it'll light up as well. There you go. And that can be moved around to where you need it. And really nice taps. And then you've got 2 glasses. And then you've got some body lotion, conditioner, and shampoo, and some hand soap. And then some tissues this side. And then just telling you there that if you want to reuse your towels, you can do. If not, to put them in the shower. Talking of showers, this is actually a huge one. It's the first time I've just seen this one. So the shower's right down there at the end. And control for it just there. So just look at the size of that. That's absolutely a huge shower. So that's really good. Nice lighting in here as well. So that's the bathroom. I can hear that the fountains have just started. So let's head out and have a look, see if we can see those through the windows. You can just make them out there. So these are some of the views that you get from the room. If you can make it out through all the reflection. So I think these run roughly about every 20 minutes or half an hour or something like that. And they go to music as well. So on the hotel's TV, there's a channel that plays the music that goes to it. So really good. Also, while we're here, let's just give you a quick show around. We'll do a video of out on the strip at some point, so you can see all the lights and stuff like that. From here, there's a lot of reflection from the room, so you don't really get to see it so much. But incredible fountains from this Fountain View King size room here at the Bellagio in Las Vegas. So keep watching and we will show you around the hotel. We'll show you what sort of food's on offer here at the Bellagio, and we'll also do another video as well of out and about around Las Vegas, so you can see it for yourself. And if you've been here, you better reminisce. If you've not been here before, then it might spur you on to booking a holiday to Las Vegas. It's the next morning here in Las Vegas, and we wanted to show you the view from the room. To the left of us, it's Caesar's Palace, and opposite we have the Paris Hotel behind the Eiffel Tower. To the right, it's the Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino. Coming up, we're going to show you more of the Bellagio Hotel, as well as some of the fantastic food on offer from a few of the 15+ food outlets here at the hotel. The Bellagio has a large outdoor pool area at the back of the hotel, with sun lounges and private cabanas for hire. Booking cabanas is essential during the warmer months as they do get busy. On to the food, and one of the first restaurants we went to is Harvest, and that's where we had fish of the day. Another day we went into Lego, which is an Italian restaurant with an impressive wine cellar on show. We both had salmon there for lunch, followed by a nice cup of coffee and sugar on a stick. First time I've seen that. On one of the mornings we had breakfast at Sadelle's Cafe, which is located inside the Bellagio Hotel and accessed via the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. Kev enjoyed steak and eggs, and I had eggs Benedict. Both the service and food was absolutely fantastic. After breakfast we left Sadelle's Cafe and had a quick walk around the conservatory at the Bellagio, and that's where they have 4 or 5 different displays throughout the year. It changes every few months, so they'll have a Lunar New Year display, a spring display, summer, harvest and Christmas holidays as well, and we're going to show you more around it later on in this video. On one of the evenings we dined in what is probably the best restaurant at the Bellagio Hotel, which overlooks the dancing Bellagio Fountains. It's called Picasso, and it's a AAA 5-diamond and Forbes Travel Guide 5-star rated restaurant, serving dishes inspired by the regional cuisine of Spain as well as France. We opted for one of the tasting menus, which was just plate after plate of some of the best food that we've ever tasted. If you plan to go to Las Vegas, do consider going to Picasso at the Bellagio Hotel. As with all the top restaurants in Vegas, we recommend that you book well in advance of your trip. Eating such delicious food with the stunning views of the Bellagio Fountains was definitely one of the many highlights of our trip to Las Vegas. As we were leaving Picasso, we were presented with this Picasso-themed chocolate based on one of his famous works. After dinner we headed over to the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens for the Lunar New Year display. One of the things that Las Vegas is famous for is the Bellagio Fountains. From our King Fountain View room, we had a great view of the fountains. From the afternoon and nighttime displays to watching the engineers work on the fountains in the mornings, it's something that we will never get bored of watching. Look out for the link at the end of this video, as well as in the description, to a full version of one of the Bellagio Fountain displays. During our week in Las Vegas, we also visited several of the other hotels and attractions. The video of our time in Las Vegas will be published a week after this one. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified once it's been published. It's free to do, and it really helps our channel. We will also add links to our Las Vegas video to this video's description once it's been published. So we're at the end of our 7-night stay here at the Bellagio Hotel in Las Vegas. Really enjoyed it. The service is always fantastic. Food is really good. It's not the cheapest of food, but it is a 5-star hotel ultimately, and you can go out of the hotel and buy some cheaper food elsewhere, which we did, but we also ate in the hotel, and it was always really good. Staff really good, no complaints whatsoever. The room was fantastic, and talking about the room, I did mention at the beginning that I would say how much we paid for it, and we actually got a really good deal on the room. We got an offer sent to us. Being an existing customer, we stayed here in June of last year, and because of that we've been offered cheaper rates to come back. So we got the whole 7 nights here in this hotel room at the Bellagio, which is a Fountain View King. So it's not a suite, but it's a very large standard room basically overlooking the fountains here at the Bellagio. So we paid $550 for the whole week. Originally it was going to be about 2,000 or 3,000 for the previous room that we'd booked, but then we changed it when we got that offer and went for a lower grade room, but for $550 you really cannot go wrong. So that was really good. We also got $1,000 of free play to use on the slot machines whilst we was here, which we pretty much did in the first couple of days, and that was very much appreciated. And then we also got £500 of resort credit to spend on food, drink, that sort of thing. And again, we spent all that as well and had a fantastic time. So if you're looking at coming to Las Vegas, then I would recommend staying at the Bellagio Hotel, at least having a look at the prices there. The room, also a bit messier now because we've been staying in it for seven nights. Really good. One other thing I wanted to show you as well, if you travel abroad quite often, you may find this useful. We've been using it for a while now, but this is an extension lead block for 4 UK plugs and USB sockets, and you get them in different versions, but this one is for US and Canada and Mexico, places like that, but you can also get European ones as well, and we've got those, and we find those really useful. So really hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos from Jamie and Kev Go Travelling, and hit the notification bell. We'll see you next time.